camp made difference both academically and extra because in academics I learned a lot about AI and ML that I did not know that AI was so related to math and logic and how the AI actually worked. And in the extras I learned to socialize. I made a new friend circle. I learned how to stay without my screen. The screen actually was a good thing because scrolling on Instagram all day or playing video games all day does not help you. And then here I did not feel the need of a screen because there were so many people and so many activities going on that we did not get the time also. Yeah, I do see myself coming back to the program because this program has helped me a lot. It has been a lot of fun. These were the most fun 3 weeks I think I have had.